I've got a question for my fellow gearheads. Why is it that we are fascinated with cold starts?
I'm not certain, but for me, it's the anticipation and the excitement of the machine when it decides to actually run. This evening's cold start is brought to us by a Belarus Tractor 220. It features a 2-cylinder diesel air-cooled engine. How cool is that? I wonder if the battery's any good, but we'll find out. This engine does not have glow plugs or any kind of heating element in it. It's about 40 degrees here in southern Indiana. Let's give it a shot.